We have a 2022 Kia Telluride with the tow hitch already installed. The 7-pin is pre-wired with the hitch. However, it does not come with a brake controller, so I'm going to show you how to hook it up. It's very easy. It takes just a few minutes. All you have to do is open up the fuse box that pops right off, and you'll see all the wires here. If you have the tow package, it's already pre-wired. You're going to look up behind here and you'll see where the pre-wired connection is. And all you're going to do is connect the adapter to the actual brake controller of your choice. I bought this cheap one off Amazon. And I also bought the Curt branded adapter that's part of their quick connect system. It's literally plug and play. And you'll see once you plug it in, as soon as you push on the brake, the light comes on. What I'm going to do on mine is put the fuse box back and mount it right here. And you can see there's plenty of room. You can mount it anywhere you really want to. That's convenient for you. I think right here will be great for my needs. And I also I can take off this plastic piece if I ever need to switch it out with a different one. Hope that helps.